right, so I know what you might be thinking. A microfiber towel line releasing air tools? Anthony, what the heck is going on right now? Well, let's just say that the Rag Company is doing some new and exciting things with expanding our detailing accessories, starting here with the new Ultra Air tools. So in today's video, I'm going to break down each individual tool, how we like using them here in the shop, and how you can use them at your shop or at home. So with that said, we have some tools to break down, and we're going to start with the Ultra Air Blaster. All right, so the Ultra Air Blaster, which is going to be by far the most popular air tool in this line. This is going to be your ideal blasting tool for removing dirt, debris, sand, dog hair, and quite literally everything else out of an interior. You're going to hook this up to your air fitting, going to your air compressor, and you're going to begin blasting away. Now what this does is it creates a vortice of air, which is going to swirl all that stuff out of the carpet, out of ingrained deep areas, and it's going to remove that, making it easy to blow out outside of the car. Now, this is going to have a 1/4 fitting on here, and it's going to come with 2 different trumpets here on the end. You're going to have your standard trumpet, and you're also going to have a brush trumpet. Now, what these are going to do is give you the option to A, get in closer and actually brush as you are spraying, or keep a little bit more distance and spray out in areas as needed. Now, you can use this with a liquid. If you want to spray down something like water or ONR and then blast it, you can absolutely do that, but we do recommend always using a respirator whenever you're involving a chemical. Now, what's cool about this gun is that outside of the trumpet, everything on this gun is metal, and it's extremely, extremely durable. We went through several bits of durability testing that many people would probably laugh at, but we had to do it. We threw this thing off of a roof. I chucked it across the parking lot. I literally threw it to somebody at a long distance, they missed it, and it fell into traffic and a car ran over it. That actually happened. And then we picked it up, plugged it in, and it kept working. It was freaking amazing. So this thing is extremely durable. Now, I promise, this tool is going to make your life easier. It's different than just a typical blowgun that you'll have on a compressor. A blowgun will simply blow out dust and dirt, but it won't actually lift it out of those ingrained areas such as your carpet. And so, again, it's gonna be an amazing tool. You're gonna get a lot of use out of it, and I promise you're gonna have fun. So jumping into the next tool, we have the Ultra Air Blaster Plus. All right, so stepping aside, the Ultra Air Blaster Plus, which is going to have everything that you love about the standard Ultra Air Blaster, except now you can use liquids. So for interior cleaning, for exterior cleaning, you're now able to use that vortice of air combined with your favorite cleaner and or water. Now when it comes to interior detailing, this truly is amazing. Plug this into your air compressor just as you would with the Ultra Air Blaster and get to spraying. You're going to have an adjustable output here for how much chemical you want to introduce in comparison to air. And then on the end here, you're going to have your standard trumpet fitting. And then we also have the brushed trumpet fitting that can go on as well for some extra scrubbing power. Now, what I like about this tool is that not only are you getting the effect and the power and the force of that spinning air, but now you're also introducing some chemical to the mix that's going to get into those fibers deeper, especially when it comes to really stubborn carpets and really stubborn stains. So how we like using the Ultra Air Blaster Plus in comparison to the original Ultra Air Blaster is a little bit different. So this is going to be our starting point. This is where we're going to get rid of all that sand, all that hair, all the things that are the nooks and crannies, and then from there we're going to go through with a vacuum or whatever we need to do to remove those contaminants, and then we're going to come back through with this. Now we have 2 options here. We can A, put a chemical and water mixture into this and actually use this to spray and clean an area. Or we can apply our favorite cleaners to the surface itself agitate it, and then go back through with simply only putting water in the container instead of a mixture of chemical and water. So again, this is just going to be more of a liquid sprayer, but what we like about this is the fact that it's creating that vorticity, it's applying whatever product or water is in here to dive it deeper into those fibers or into that area and being able to kind of pull that back out. From there, you can go back through with your vacuum everything up, and I promise you the result of this, it's kind of insane. I've used a ton of extractors that do a great job. I've used a lot of brushes and cleaners and vacuums that also do a great job, but this just does something different. And if you've used something like this before, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the Ultra Air Blaster Plus, a step up above the Ultra Air Blaster, but I think honestly, if you can have both in your arsenal, that's for the best. All right, so next up here is the product for people that enjoy shiny things, people that enjoy protection, and people that do not like using traditional applicators. That is going to be the Ultra Air Spray Applicator. Now this gun is completely different than the other two. Instead of creating a vortex of air, this is simply going to apply a product. Now what's cool is that this sprayer comes with a 200 ml reservoir for your favorite dressing and or protection product. Now how this works is you are going to put your product into here, you are going to spin it up into the sprayer itself, and then you're going to be able to adjust the output right here on the side, adding more air or more liquid to the mix. And then this knob up here is going to adjust how you want your spray pattern. Do you want it a tighter spray? Do you want a more expanded spray? You're going to simply turn this and extend this outward or inward depending on what you're looking for. Now this is a really simple design, but this is something that works exceptionally well for dressing tires, dressing fender wells, dressing interiors. And what I like is that it's more of an airbrushing style of spray. It's not going to be this crazy amount of spray that's going to fog up the air. It can be nice and concentrated, and that's what makes the Ultra Spray Applicator so freaking cool. So for those people out there that like adding protection or that like shiny things, look no further. This will make your life a lot easier with an air compressor. All right, so saving what is arguably the most unique and maybe the most odd looking for last is the Ultra Engine Blaster. Now amongst the line, this is arguably my favorite tool. This thing will simply blow you away with how amazing it is. Now this is going to use a combination of air and chemical to clean and detail hard to reach areas in your engine bay, maybe your suspension, maybe your inner wheel wells. Go for it, whatever you want to do, door jambs, you name it. This is going to use this extension here to swivel and pivot into those hard to reach areas for some serious blasting ability. Now on the side here, you're going to have an adjustment on how much air and how much chemical you want to introduce. So I'm going to simply turn that right there to basically cut it off or open it up to suck up more chemical and more air. Now think of this as kind of the poor man's dry ice blaster. It's not going to have the same effect of dry ice blasting, but paired with the appropriate chemical in here, this is really going to melt away a lot of dirt, and I promise you that. Now the biggest caveat here is that you're going to need a powerful air compressor, and I mean powerful. You're going to want to have a minimum of 20 gallons with a decent CFM. This thing uses a ton of air. This will use a decent amount of air, this will use a decent amount of air, this will use a somewhat decent amount of air, but this right here will take up all the air. So if you have a decent air compressor, this thing, it's incredible, guys. Seriously, it really is. So what I like to do is just mix my favorite APC, something pretty light, 10 to 1, 20 to 1, with a little bit of water, mix it into the reservoir here, plug it up, open up my valve here, plug everything in, and get to spraying. Now what's really cool is that for the most part, it's like touchless washing, but for spray applying a chemical onto your vehicle. Then you can go back through with your favorite microfiber towel, maybe a little bit of water, clean up those areas, and you're good to go. So this is a really cool tool. I'm really excited for people to use it. Don't spray yourself like I have it pointed here, but again, it's going to be very useful for people looking to get into those hard to reach areas. So in summary, why did the Rag Company come out with some air cleaning tools? We did it because we love using them. That's why. There's no better answer than that. We like using these tools and we have a ton of fun with it. Not only are they more efficient, but we love the results that each and every one of these guns has to offer. And so we're really excited for you guys to use them. Blast away the dirt, blast away the filth, apply some dressing, clean your engines, clean your undercarriages, you name it. I promise you're gonna love what you see here. So the Ultralight Airline is now available at the Rag Company. And as always, we hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoy the information. And as always, if you love these kind of videos and you love seeing new products, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.